What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from beautiful Esplanade Lake Club here in Fort Myers, Florida. As you can see behind me, there is a very large building being constructed. This is the Amenities Center here at Esplanade Lake Club. I don't know if you could see over here, we've got the tennis courts being constructed as well. If you would like more information on the Amenities Center and Esplanade Lake Club, feel free to click the link below and I can send you all that information. Or if you have direct questions that you want to ask, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. Also, if you have not seen any of the video tours of the models available at Esplanade Lake Club, I will put them in the description box for you to check out as well. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call or text. My number is 239-823-1685.